JTO on the road, got a catfish in, out in the river. For sure, for sure, for sure. Not a bad catfish at all. Probably 3 pounds. Got him on the chicken liver. So we're gonna go ahead and string him up. He's got a good bite going on that, but got another pole set, so I'm just waiting for that one to take on off. But just using some chicken liver on the river, catfishing. Oh yeah, that's the way to go. Little channel cat here. Let's get him out. Let's get him out of there. Got some hemostats. I'm gonna grab him with it. And gonna grab him with a pair of hemostats. And get him pretty good. Oh, there we go. There we go. So, good sized catfish, I'd say. He's a good one. All right, JTO. Yep, there he goes. JTO. Yep.